Let's jam together through it all in C. Let's go verse, half a bar of C to G, A minor, and F, half a bar of Gsus to G, back to C again, half bar, and G, A minor, to F, one step up to G, E minor, up to F, down to E minor, half a bar of F, half a bar of G, chorus, C chord, to F, half a bar coming up, G, and A minor, to F, to G, back to C one bar, and F, half a bar coming up, from G to C, up to F, up to G, back to C, C again. Let's go back verse, half a bar of C, half a bar of G, A minor, and F, half a bar of Gsus, half a bar of G, go back C half a bar to G, A minor, to F, to G, down to E minor, one step up to F, down to E minor, half a bar of F, half a bar of G, chorus, C chord, and F, half a bar coming up, from G, A minor, down to F, up to G, back to C again, and F, half a bar coming up, and G, to C, and F, to G, back to whole C chord, C chord again. Let's go bridge, still on C chord, go, A minor, and F, and G, again, C chord, A minor, and F, and G. Let's do two more times, C, A minor, F, G, go. One last time, C chord, go. A minor, and F, and G, back to chorus, one bar of C chord, go, up to F, half bar coming up, from G, A minor, to F, to G, back to C chord, and F, half a bar coming up, G, to C, to F, to G, back home C, C again. We're gonna end on C, just hold on C. Hey there, thanks for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory, and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.